I'm with two friends. If you just want to say your YouTube channels, go. Nah. Ethan plays underscore UBR. Shout out to them. All right, so we're gonna be killing every monster in the game with a bat. Bats only. So here's the cool thing about pinata sticks, and I can hit my camera. Well, maybe. Easy. Chicken jockey. No, some dude threw popcorn in our movie theater. Not our movie theater. In some movie theater. We got so mad. I snitched on them. Okay, it's not a bomb. Okay, chicken is done. We'll kill that in a second. Okay,
He died from red light, green light.
It's going after me.
Did our friend die?
Oh, Ethan?
What? Did our friend die?
No.
Is that because he's
No,
following?
he's still alive. Oh shit.
Did we kill the sis?
It's gonna be a little harder than
I am invincible! It can't kill me!
Oh, this is turning really dangerous really fast.
Oh crap, we need to get out of here. Come on.
No, we have to kill.
Alright, let's kill the red light, green light.
Red light, green light is dead. Grenade!
Okay.
So we've already killed the sis. Where's my camera? Yo, my camera's following you! Give me my camera! Where's my camera? Yo, my camera's still on you?
Here,
Come on, stand still.
grab it.
I want my camera.
Okay, we ready?
Alright. Oh, he's dead.
I killed it!
Alright, come on. Now we have to kill Mimic. And I'm not one to do that.
Insane clutch.
So, who wants to kill Mimic?
Me.
Flashbang. Oh shit!
Run!
Wait, I can't.
What happened?
Oh shit!
Okay, come on.
Sewers.
Mimic!
Kill it!
Ooh! Ow! Oh, dang, he was easy. Yeah. Yeah, give me that body.
Wait.
No,
I have a self-destruct. I have a self-destruct.
Bro said
Why
he's
is
gonna self-destruct.
Yo, why is there 5 people in our code?
5?
Oh shit.
So we have to kill the big bomb, and we have to kill this.
Sewers!
Hey!
Yeah, but we're about to leave, so hurry up.
Okay, we got a shotgun. It's gonna be fair. It's gonna be fair. We've already killed him, so might as well hit him again. 200!
Oh, Layton came and saved the day.
Hi, camera.
What's that?
Oh my, that was an epic
Alright,
save
what's
by
that?
Layton.
Over here.
Hey, excuse me, what's that? Excuse me, what's
RPG
that?
ammo. Run! He's gonna explode. Alright, y'all follow me.
what's
I know
that?
the way out. Geronimo!
What's the camera?
That sounded gay. That sounded zesty as heck. I'm not gonna lie. Follow me if you want to survive. No! I got done. I don't like it. I don't like this.
Where are
This
we
is
going?
scary. It's scary. Over here.
I don't know.
Home.
Oh.
Sweet home Alabama. When I'm coming home to you.
What
Yo.
the hell?
What the heck? Oh my god.
Oh,
Hey.
What
the
Oh my god.
Why are there so much people in here?
Can we leave?
It's because I have so many friends and and that's my friend. No.
The red guy's my friend.
Red is my friend.
Guys, press up here offline.
Why?
Duh. Not you, kid.
Ow!
The red guy's my friend also.
Dang, that's crazy. Stop hitting
We're doing
me,
another code.
please. Ah! No.
They're showing another code.
What's up for?
Ow, that hurts.
Leon, this guy's helping us. We're trying to do a video.
You're in love with me.
Ow. That
You're in love with
hurts.
me.
So
Oh
you
my
don't want
gosh,
me in
can
the
you
video?
marry me?
No.
Wait, stand your
Wait,
camera still.
are you a girl or are you a boy? Are you a girl or a boy?
Camera, stay still.
Would you believe it if I said
He's
I'm a
gay.
girl?
He's gay.
You're a girl?
Yeah, I'm a girl.
No, I don't like you. I only like boys.
No, gang, I'm a boy. What do you think I am?
Okay, come here. Let me marry you.
Where's my camera? give me my camera.
Give me my camera.
Wait, let me
That's
see
my
the camera.
This
Wait,
is my
stay still.
camera.
Wait, make the camera stay still, trust.
Oh, that actually hurts.
You can't do
Oh, it
that.
doesn't work anymore?
Hey,
Dang it.
give me my camera.
It doesn't work again.
Guys, it's my birthday. I need birthday presents.
Ethan.
Ethan,
You know
your
what?
birthday
I'm turning
today
off.
is not your
Turn this
birthday.
off.
Stay still.
Yes, it is.
And I don't
Yesterday
think y'all can
was-
grab it.
Yesterday
Okay,
was
stay
Leon's
still.
birthday.
Hey, stay still. Jaden,
Try to
stay
grab my
still.
camera. Try to grab my camera.
Ethan, you're in love with me.
Try to grab my camera.
Ooh, you thought I was gonna grab it?
Try to grab
Oh,
it.
you thought I was gonna grab it?
I'm not gonna grab it. You can't
You
grab
cheater.
it.
You hacker. You hacker. I'm marrying a hacker. I can't believe that.
You're not. What? I ain't marrying you.
Whoa.
I'm happy. I am
You're
happily in a relationship with my girlfriend named Harper.
Purple guy.
No, with
What?
me. What, kid?
I'm in love with you.
Get away, fam. It ain't meant to be. Gang, I'm sorry, but it ain't meant to be.
Jimmy, shoot him.
Shoo-hoo.
Fly high away. Hopefully, bro doesn't shoot an RPG at me. I'm really hoping you don't shoot an RPG at me. Oh no! Diddy died! I just saw Diddy die. Did Drake go away? Raise up kids, oh no! Why am I saying this? I am at the top of bridge. You can't be saying that! Oh, heck no. Gang, I'm out, like... Alright, y'all, we're going through this deep, dark tunnel. I'm back!
Oh,
Drake, go away! Raise up kids another day! Daddy says it's not
Alright, here.
okay!
Here, come here.
Yeah, bro, you
Why?
gonna crash my game! You're gonna crash my game!
You
Nah,
lucky.
dang, revive me. You tell your friend.
I'm not.
Tell your friend to do whatever.
You tell your friend to respawn my camera. Can you tell your friend to like get the stuff or whatever? Okay.
How do
That's
I
my
get
camera.
this? How do I
That's
grab
my
it?
camera! Don't touch it!
How do I grab it?
Unless I enable for you to grab it, you can't grab it.
I'll heal you.
I don't want to enable it because y'all are finna go steal it.
But you can. I can just steal it if I wanted to.
You
Whoever
could, well,
goes
you
out
couldn't
of safe
steal
zone
it. It would
goes
still be mine.
Whoever gets out of safe zone, they
We should have a
must
big
die.
battle.
Well, yeah.
Drake, go away. Bye. Drake, go
I wanna
away.
look at-
Wait, is this PvP enabled?
Yes.
Drake,
What
go
the
away.
hell?
I am going.
Okay.
Look, I'm going, bro.
That's why I don't
Like-
love you. I only like other people.
We love other boys.
Can you tell your
Missed.
Could you like join your friend or whatever and tell him to join this code that me and him could join a code? Give me one. Give me one. Whatever. Damn. Oh, thank you. Someone go
What
out
are you
of
gonna do
safe-
with it?
Yeah,
Oh,
why
you're
did that
such a
have
little
why did
man.
that have such a delayed reaction?
Did you go?
Is this a shooting range? Okay.
Drake, go away.
Here, look it. I'm gonna
Raise up kids another day.
purple.
Ow! What? Stop freaking shooting me into the air!
Land.
Huh.
You wanna try something out? Here, look
wanna
it. I'm
see-
gonna here. Let me. I'm gonna put this down for you. All right. And then
I
you're
wanna
gonna
see-
do it.
But
No,
I
he's
wanna
gonna
see
crash your
some
game!
boys.
He's gonna crash your game! He's gonna crash your game!
Yeah, I want to see some boys. I want to see some boys.
Yo, what?
I said I want to see some boys.
Gang, I don't want my game to crash.
Here,
I'm
look
gonna
it.
touch you if my
Put-
game crashes.
Put these in here. All right. Now go now. You stupid nigga.
Drake, go! Yo, where do they go?
I mean, you're so bad. You actually suck.
Man,
It was
do
an
you
autistic kid and they don't know nothing. Because
was
you
me.
know-
Can someone please revive me?
I will revive you.
Ethan, revive me. That's not you. Oh my god, it's freaking that kid. I'm gonna respawn.
yo, why did I respawn over here?
Kill yourself. Kill yourself.
He missed!
Revive
Oh,
me.
so, like, so hard.
Revive me.
I can't, bro. He's gonna murder me.
Revive
Yes, I will.
me. Oh my god.
Yes.
Drake, go away. Raise up kids another day.
Yo, what is this?
Revive me, please.
If you tell your friend to join,
I don't know if he's
I am your friend. I am the guy who's giving stuff out.
no.
Oh no, not you. I have a moderator friend, and he mods and so on.
Yes,
Ah!
him.
I'm mad.
Don't take any, like, you can just join this code back. I actually need every single.
He's not even on. And I need to see if I
Let's
have
join
the.
a different code.
Well, I need to see if I have the Halo.
Yeah, wait.
Why?
Not yet.
Let's have the Halo.
Let's join the OG code.
Do you know any
What's the
moderator
OG
codes?
code?
Do you know any
I'm not
mod
telling you.
codes? You know any mod codes?
Me.
Does anybody know any mod codes?
No.
You guys want to join a different code?
Could someone,
No,
if you,
my backpack.
if you guys want to join your code ever again,
Who is you?
you
Who
can
is
tell
you?
me what a. You can tell me a mod code.
Ah! I just went flying, bro. Well, That's for the Drake, go. Why am I singing that? If y'all don't know by now, I have ADHD and I talk a lot. So, I'm a frog.
Hey, do you know any mod codes?
You know what?
No.
I haven't modded that.
I can have it.
Yo, I want big shield. I want big shield.
Take the bag. I don't need it. It's a modded bag. Modded bag's behind y'all.
Where?
Wait, JD, wait,
Right
let me
there.
do one too. Let me do one too. Let me
Where?
do one.
Oh, give me
Hey,
No, let me get it.
Hey, meet me in the back stage.
Here, can I have over? My
You're
head's
fucking
on your
autistic.
friend,
I know you're not talking.
Dude, this dude, she has autism, but.
Can I have that Coke can?
Excuse me, guys, I see someone over there.
Where?
I saw someone over there.
Put your down.
Yo,
so you can
white
make a
man.
head.
Don't worry, I'll solve it.
This dude has
Yeah, no,
autism.
Y'all know I'm a mod in this game, right? Y'all know I'm a mod in this game, right?
Then give me your
You're not. I
entire
don't
stash.
think you. I mean, you're possibly a mod.
Wait.
Get out!
I mean, I can show you some modded items.
Oh, I murdered two people. So
What do you want me to pull out? What do you want me to pull
I'm
out?
sorry.
I'll pull it out.
Are you?
Can you revive me? Can you revive me?
What do y'all want to see? What do y'all want to see? What do y'all want to see?
No, I'm getting
I
my
can see
camera.
Drop his camera, bitch.
Yo, why you calling him that?
That's what he is.
Me and him are friends, bro.
I don't give a
Drake, go away. Help me, please.
Show us some
Oh,
modded
yeah,
stuff, bro. Show us some modded stuff.